Hi, ako si Jan, and this is how you change your CF Moto 450 SR's engine oil. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara dyan. Ito ang mga kakailanganin natin. 2.5 liters of engine oil filter, wrench cap, ratchet, extender, and 17mm socket.
So ayun guys, warm up lang natin siya ng mga 2 minutes tapos change oil na tayo.
Pag malapit nyo na matanggal ang drain plug, watch out sa washer, baka mahulog.
Lalagay na natin to.
This bike has 2.6 liters of engine oil, but 2.5 liters lang yung ilalagay natin.
Mahirapan tayo. Supposed to be ito kasi yung oil dyan magle-level dito.
Pagkatapos, warm up lang natin yung engine oil bago natin tatakbuhin.
So yun guys, tapos na tayo mag-change oil. So ikot ko muna siya and
That is how you change your CF Moto 450 SR's engine oil. So save nyo tong video para you can do it the next time you change your engine oil. Hanggang sa susunod ulit. Paalam!
bye!